class, today I am going to show how to make this into a 3 by 3. First, make this into a line. You make this, you try first, you take tiny bits of it and make it a line. Yeah, once you have done, you can do it into a 2 by 2, 3 by 3, etc. Which anything you know. Today we are going to do about 2 by 2. First you try to make it at least a line. Even if it's a curvy line, it's okay. Okay, now to make a 2 by 2, you just do like this and then meet it at one edge and then 2 like this. Touch the edges. This is how to do it by magnetic balls. If you want to make a second level, you also do like this. And if there is some extra blocks, you can, on both sides, you can put 2 of those blocks here. No, not like that. Flip it. Wait a minute. Yeah, now this is 2 layers. This is how to make 2 layers. And if you want to make with only 1 layer, here's how to do it. Here's how to do it with only 1 layer. Wait a minute. Okay. First, you just do it like this. And then you put it like this. And then if there's 2 at the edge, you do like this.